Let's explore the Adobe Illustrator CC Arc Tool. Okay, here we are in CC, and we have a blank screen. And to find the Arc Tool, what you do, your Arc Tool may be hidden under the Straight Line tool. And if you can't find the Arc Tool, come down here to the bottom of the toolbar, click these three dots, and scroll in here until you do find the Arc Tool and just drag it over to where you would like it to go. But we already have it. So the Arc Tool, what you do is you just drag, and I'm not letting go of the mouse, I'm not letting go of the mouse, I'm not letting go of the mouse, and now I'm clicking or pushing the C key. That will give you a closed arc or a non-closed arc. And what if you want your arc to go the other direction? That would be the F key. F key, C key. And what if you want to increase or decrease the curve of your arc? That would get done with the up and down arrow on the keyboard. And all of this time I have not let go of the mouse. And when you let go of the mouse, then you get the arc that you want. Let's see, I'm going to scale this down a tad. Notice that my stroke is scaling, and yes, you can apply fill color to your arc. But notice as I scale my arc up or down, my stroke width is increasing and decreasing. And I think this is kind of important to know in Illustrator. If I deselect everything and look in the Properties panel, there is an option to scale strokes and effects. I think that's very important to know. So if nothing is selected, you can click that sucker and all of your strokes will scale with your objects. Now, I just dragged the mouse, did some keystrokes to get my arc the way that I wanted it. But as with many Adobe tools, if you select the Arc tool, then you can just click in your document, and here you can set your X axis length, Y axis length. You can decide if the type is opened or closed, and set concave or convex, and you can fill your arc with a color. Okay, so there is the Arc tool. Enjoy.